Taiace Group of companies, thriving in various industries, like telecommunication, power distribution, oil and gas, green technology to name a few, with global distribution. Product offerings ranges from DC power system, customized enclosures and racks, power distribution panel, with energy saving as part of our agenda. Taiace was co-founded by Mr. Ezer Ismail and Mr. Hyruddin MD No, well endowed with illustrious engineering knowledge background, through years of experiences. Since its inception, Taiace has diversified its operation into several different products. All throughout the years, Taiace has developed its own customer base, locally and internationally, becoming a strategic and effective SMI. Taiace operates in its own factory building, located at Arab Malaysian Industrial Park, Nalai, Negeri Sembilan, on a 2.14-acre land area, with built-up area of 37,000 square feet. Taiace is committed to provide high-performance services for multiple industries and technologies when it comes to delivering the highest quality solutions. We at Taiace are driven by environmental sensitivity, personalized solutions, and performance measure. Taiace is helmed by top executives with more than 90 years of vast collective knowledge and engineering experience combined. Taiace grew, year after year, expanded its product line, and turned into a global solution provider. We're also synonymous with intelligent technology solutions, offering cutting-edge products that consume less energy and utilizes state-of-the-art technology. Quality, flexibility, and speed reflects our delivery for perfect solutions. What our nation will see tomorrow, Taiace is already ahead of its time, and the Smart Pole project is a testament to this. We welcome the challenge of creating renewable energy sources, meeting social, economic, and environmental demands. And we're taking it head on. Our multiple sites are up and running now. With an eye on the future, we at Taiace work to become more competitive, more connected, and efficient. Contributing to the sustainable energy development. The constant growth in R&D paves the way to generating new ideas and innovations. With evolution and continuous improvement in our DNA, we unleash the smart meters, ushering a breakthrough technology to the industry. With a host of new features. While the rollout and installations already in place all over the nation. Along with the expansion to 11 countries around the globe, the sky is the limit. Despite the current global challenges, Taiace continues to stand tall. All driven by optimism, technology and opportunities.